a tender, compassionate friend. He met the need of my heart. Shadows is spelling with joy I am telling. He made all the darkness depart. Heaven came down and glory filled my soul. When at the cross the Savior made me whole. My sins were washed away and my night was turned to day.
I love my country. And I am proud of it. And very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde announced as Chief of Shiv Sena. Education Minister calls for universities to join hands to make India global study.
After 3 years, in the first visit by a top Indian official to China in more than 3 years, the two countries have discussed proposals for disengaging in the two remaining friction areas among the line of actual control to restore normalcy in relations. 3 വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷം ഇന്ത്യയും ചൈനയും തമ്മിൽ പ്രശ്നബാധിത പ്രദേശങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് ചർച്ച നടത്തി.
Cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt to the head. Helen Keller. ഈ ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും സുന്ദരവും മനോഹരമായ കാഴ്ചകൾ കാണുന്നതിനോ സ്പർശിക്കുന്നതിനുപരിയായി അവയെ ഹൃദയം കൊണ്ട് അറിയുകയാണ് വേണ്ടത്.
Of the countries on the world, it is spoken and understood. People from different parts of the world, having different languages as their mother tongues, are able to communicate easily with the knowledge of English. Without the English language, we cannot do anything on the internet. We can share our ideas, opinions, thoughts with the entire world through the internet with the use of English language. In the sector of education, English language as a means of the communication and learning. The lack of English language skills makes everyone in the world today unsuitable for education. English is a global language and it is used in every book and it is a right.
I am the Supreme Commander. I launched as a unique social network that is completely based on sharing photos. Here, I have been described as the Elizabeth of Internet. You can spend away.
I take results as an addiction to my followers within a short span of time.
I am Snapchat. You can post any photos and videos in Snapchat. There is lot of wrong information in the Snapchat. Anyone can post anything here.
I am Google. I have so many assistants like Google Map, Google Pay, Google Photos, etc. If you are an assistant, you can close me. I will close all your tabs.
I am so happy by seeing all you together. Now let's sign out and watch what's going on around the world. Scene 2. Anjana's family father is enjoying the game.
She is not studying them,
But she is chatting in the phone.
Anjana accidentally posted her picture in
Social media. A lot of students are addicted to social media. Why are giving comments for that in the need of their studies?
On the social media, become also headlines, dictionary, Google Map, etc.
We will promise. We will our social media wisely. Thank you.
Started storing the bridge from the to and at the same time. Malu and Taru meet at the middle of the bridge.
all she said dash correct was adho
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ലാംഗ്വേജുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളാണ്, പരിപാടികളാണ് അസംബ്ലിയിൽ നടത്തപ്പെട്ടത്. വളരെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ കുട്ടികൾ അത് അവതരിപ്പിച്ചു. അനിമോൾ ടീച്ചർ അവർക്ക് വേണ്ട ട്രെയിനിങ് ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്തു. വളരെ ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് തന്നെ വ്യത്യസ്തമായ രീതിയിൽ ഇന്നത്തെ അസംബ്ലി കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തു. അനിമോൾ ടീച്ചർക്കും ടീച്ചറെ സഹായിച്ച മറ്റ് അധ്യാപകർക്കും പരിപാടികളിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത എല്ലാ കുട്ടികളെയും പ്രത്യേകം അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു.